Welcome to Lydia's Cuisine. Today I'll be showing you how to make half cake. For the ingredients of half cake, you will need 3.5 cups of sifted flour. I've already sifted my flour. 1 cup of milk. 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. 1 teaspoon of ginger. 4 tablespoons of butter. And 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom. 3/4 cups of sugar. We are gonna start to mix in the dry ingredient first. The 3/4 cups of sugar, the baking powder, the salt, about 1/4 teaspoon of salt, the nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, ginger, 1 teaspoon of ginger, cardamom, about 1/2 teaspoon of cardamom. So we'll mix the dry ingredients first. I'm gonna add in about 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla to my milk. Then I'll start mixing in the dry ingredients first. Then I'll start mixing in the butter first. This is about 4 tablespoons of butter. I'm gonna cut up the butter before I start mixing it rubbing it into the flour until it's mixed well into the flour. Start stirring in the flour and mixing in with the milk. I'm gonna mix the dough for about 5 minutes. I'm gonna transfer my dough into a clean surface and start kneading the dough on my surface for about 5 minutes. I'm gonna use the palm of my hands instead of my knuckles to knead the dough. After I knead my dough for about 5 minutes, I'm gonna cover it, put it in a container and cover it for about 1 hour. After 1 hour, I'm gonna now start rolling my dough. I'm gonna flour my surface. Meanwhile, my oil is getting ready, heated up on my frying pan. I'm gonna start rolling the dough. Don't make it too thin, to about this kind of thickness. Then I'm gonna cut up my dough. I'll reduce the heat and then I start cooking the half cake. I'm gonna turn them around and to the other side so they can cook evenly. I like my half cake being golden brown, so I'm gonna take them out of the oil now. I'll just drain the oil and put them on a paper towel, just like that. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, God bless you.